Cordamian from Boothwood, and you're watching What's Up with Warnock.
Howdy, Terrell Tigers. This is your Superintendent Dr. Warnock with this edition of What's Up with Warnock. Welcome back to school. We are so excited to have all of our Tigers back. We welcomed over 5,000 Tigers and their families, and we had a great start of school. And we're so excited to see where the learning takes us this year. We have a few new things this year that we want to make sure that you are in the know about. First, we want to celebrate the launch of our Collegiate Academy at Furlow Middle School. We have over 100 students that are involved in this college prep experience, and we can't wait to see how they grow and learn over this year. Stay tuned for an event coming later this fall, Discover Terrell ISD, where you're going to find out about more choices and programs that we'll be launching in the upcoming years. Second, we want to thank all of our voters again for helping with passing the bond package that is going to make huge difference and impacts. You've already seen some work happening around the district. We have new fencing that's gone up. We have a secured vestibule entry at the high school. We've done some pump repair at the high school. We're working on air conditioning right now as we speak. And then let me tell you a little bit about where the process will go. Our bonds have been sold, and then next up, we're going to be finding our construction company. Once we have our construction company on board, we have our architect partners, then we start really in the design phase of the process where we have all of the different projects, and we'll be having different stakeholder groups and staff members that are giving us insight into that. And then really next summer is when we'll start to see more construction happening. It takes a little bit of time to get everything up and running, but when it's finished, it's going to be so great. The next thing we want to make sure all of our bus rider parents know is that starting Monday 18th, your child will use their student ID that's issued at the campus to swipe in and off the bus. That helps us have a track record of who's getting on and off our buses as an extra safety precaution. We are using those exact same IDs that they are issued at school. Those are the same ones for the bus, so they're not separate. It's the exact same ID. Coming soon also, you'll see information that you'll be able to download an app, and it'll give you updates when your child's bus is getting close to your home. So just stay tuned for that. Be looking for it. We're really excited about this next level of service that we're going to be able to provide. Finally, it is fall, and it is a favorite time when we have the band and the cheerleaders. We've got volleyball going on, our cross-country teams are running, and of course, football season. That wraps up this edition of What's Up with Warnock. We'll see you next time.